This is a walk around and operation video for a 2019 Bandit ZT1844 stump grinder. It is similar to Wallenstein, Morbark, Dosco, Vermeer, and more. It is 19,900 Canadian dollars plus tax. It has an electric start 38 horsepower Kohler gasoline engine. It has 500 hours. This unit has an adjustable swivel chip deflector and an 18-inch cutter wheel. The tracks are in excellent condition. This unit is located in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. We can ship anywhere inexpensively. This machine fires right up and operates as it should. Very smooth, easy to tow, great size, and powerful enough machine to get the job done. For more information,